Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Say hi, Yamur.
Hi!
Hello everyone. Yamur didn't go to school. Actually, wala na silang ginagawa kaya di na siya pumasok. Pumasok siya kanina umaga pero sabi nung teacher wag na daw silang pumasok. So waiting kami ngayon. Naantayin ko si Mr. kasi pupunta ako ng city. Mag-e-enroll ako guys ng Turkish course. So magpaparegister ako today. And nag-start na yung klase yata this week. Kaso lang hindi ako makapunta kasi may pasok pa si Yasi. So next week na siguro ako makakapasok. So update ko kayo later guys. See you. Bye bye. So nandito na kami guys. Magpaparegister na ako. Hey guys! Nandito na kami sa bahay. Kakarating lang namin. Napagod ako. Sobrang init sa labas. Nasunog na yata yung mukha ko. Na sunburn. Ay naku. Ay na si Yasi. Sinundo na rin namin sa school. How is your school?
Good.
Ayan. So, ang dami kong na-accomplish for today's video. Charot. See you again to our next video guys. And nagugutom ako. Magluluto muna tayo ng kakainin natin. Ako may ulam na ako dito. Ano na lang lutuin ko, kanin. Yan. Guys, nandito kami sa shop ng fishing shop. Fishing shop pa to. Nakisuyo ako kasi for the first time, naubusan kami ng baterya sa daan. Yung unang pinagtanungan namin na grocery, sabi niya magpe-pray daw siya, kaya hindi niya kami in-accept. Yung pangalawa naman, sa auto park, wala daw siyang charge. So, naglakas loob ako magtanong dito sa may tindahan ng mga, nagtitinda ng mga gamit para sa pag-fishing, pangingisda. So, wala siyang ibang sinabi kundi, of course. Sabi niya agad. In-entertain niya agad kami. Tapos siya pa talaga yung nagkuha ng extension para i-charge yung aming motor. Akala ko kasi aabot kasi 2 bar pa siya kanina. Ayan. So nandito kami nag-aantay guys. 20 minutes lang. Makakarating na siguro kami doon sa sa hotel. Kaya na siguro yung 20 minutes. So see you later guys. Okay? You're too much hungry?
Benim aşkım gidiyormuş ya. Bak kızım gelmiş ya. Gel bakalım anneciğim.
Abla, you can sit there. Orada mı? Yeah. Or you want here beside me?
Benim adım Büşra, senin adın ne?
Benim adım Hürriye.
Benim
adım Hürriye.
bak adın değil, adım.
Adım Ayza. Senin adın ne?
Merhaba. Benim adım Joan, senin adın ne?
Ben
Seryoso. Seryoso yung mga kaklase ko. Tapos na ang ating estudyante blues. Uwian na. Uwian na guys. So ayan guys, nandito na ako sa hotel. And pinark ko yung aking motorbike here. Kasi mag-charge ako, ayan. Nag-charge na siya. Galing pala ako ng charge eh. Pagdating ko dito, kinuha ko si Anne kasi inikot ko siya. Inikot ko siya sa charge at binanan ko siya ng palda. Hindi ako nakapag-video guys kasi matanda yung kasama natin. So, kailangan mag-ingat sa pagdadrive. Alam nyo naman. So anyway guys, kausapin ko mamaya. Pasok na ako sa loob kasi tinatawag ako. See you pa! Hey guys! Have a good day! Ayan. Nandito kami sa baba ng building. Bumaba kami for now. Kasi si Yasi kahapon pa siya nagyayaya sa Aveme. At dadalhin ko sila sa Aveme. Our Ferrari is there in the park.
Give me the keys of the Ferrari.
Ferrari. Yung Ferrari daw ni Yasi.
Is opening the motorbike with the key. La la la la li.
Take out from the parking. Go out guys. We'll take out in the parking first.
Honey, can I do a circle here? Can I do 2 rounds of a circle here? Why?
Really? Now claiming that that is his motorbike. But originally that's mine. Mine. No, I'm just joking guys. Of course, that is for all of us. Riding bike because it's so windy and for protection guys. Kasi since mag 1 month na, ang itim na natin guys. Yes! Abby, turn here. Turn the bike here. Magbo 1 month na kaming nagmo-motor at ang itim-itim ko na guys.
Come in or I'll crash you.
Abby, where you are? So, come Yamon, let's go. Diyan sa kana. Si Yasi nangangagaw.
Annie, should I hold the phone? I'll look back and film the back side or the front side. Hi guys, we're in the mall. We're next to the mall now. This is not the real office.
I don't know where are we going.
That's not the real oven.
Where are we going to park? And the car parking. That's the mall. And I don't
The entrance of the mall is there. That's the mall there. Ahead park.
Is our first time in the park?
We're going down the ramp. Oops, I'm covering the step. Slow bump. Boing. Ow! That was bumpy. Where are we gonna park? Look, there's bikes over here.
Yeah,
Is there empty spot for us? So many bikes. There's a bike behind us. There's a bike behind us.
Is this a parking or what?
I don't know.
Can we buy?
Okay, let's go back. I'm filming you.
Hi! So we are in the mall guys. I will remove my jacket.
Can you take?
Where's your jacket?
I don't bring.
Why?
I forget.
Nasa food court kami ngayon, nila Yas. Ayan.
I think I'm full. My
Ayan, yung food namin. Nagutom kasi ako, kaya sabi ko, kumain muna kami ng mga bata. Ayan, nakain kami na. Hey guys, how are you? Uy, we're not ready for this news. Hello! So, tapos na kami sa Avem eh. So, we go out already in Avem eh. There's a police. Nandito kami sa...
What the heck? Why is that guy running?
He's taking video. See? Hi, Yas.
Hi.
We are here in the clock tower.
And I have a giant big balloon. I found it from
What did you
nowhere.
buy from Avem eh?
We buy shoes
Nag-shopping tong dalawang bata.
for a wedding.
Oh, they will use in the wedding. Okay, see you later guys. Papunta na kami sa hotel. Dadaanan namin si Baba.
Oh.
Ade, hold it. And
Cutie, puppy, ducky. Cause I don't Jess. Hop. Oi. Bumpy.
this is the way going to
Hotel. My hotel or hotel. Oh, going, boing, oi.
Do you know that there is an event
Yeah.
tomorrow also with the
Oh, guys, look, so many people. I thought upstairs. Why they're downstairs?
There is also food here.
Haber verin. Tamam. Varsa hatta yanında bir tane daha arkadaşı. İkisi de gelebilirler.
Yamor back. Yes. Say hi. Say hi. Yamor. Say hi. Go and meet that. Yeah,
Morning, guys. Welcome back to our video. We're in my swimming class.
So, nandito kami guys sa swimming class ni Yamor.
It's my also swimming class.
And Yasi also. Si Yasi, mamaya hapon pa yung class niya. And si Yamor will start 10 to 11 si Yamor. So, maaga kaming nagpunta dito. Maaga akong nagising. Ayan, medyo na-late nga kami ng 5 minutes kasi 20 minutes from here to our house. Tama? And si Yasi was crying in the morning. Ayaw niyang gumising na umaaga kaya naiyak. Mamaya, si Yasi din, meron din siyang swimming course. Pareho lang sila ng date. Alam nyo guys, ang maganda dito sa Turkey, yung mga sport class nila pag summer is free. Allotted siya ng government. So marami silang binibigay na activities pag summer, katulad ng mga sports, may swimming, basketball, football, yan. Meron din mga academics. Meron din drawing, painting, yan. Karate.
I wanna go basketball.
Next year, gusto daw niya si mag-enroll sa basketball. So, nag-enroll siya this year ng football. Ang pasok niya naman sa football is thrice a week. Tuesday, Wednesday, No. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday ang football ni Yasi. And yung swimming nila is Wednesday and Friday lang. Tapos may pasok naman ako na Monday and Tuesday. Maybe. Monday and Tuesday yung pasok ko. So, yung week namin is full. Super busy. Parang may pasok din kami kasi nga, tawag dito parang may school time din. Kasi nga, araw-araw din kaming nalabas. Pero at least, maganda yun kasi nga, tawag dito, hindi naboboard yung bata sa bahay this summer. Marami silang activities. Ayun, yun yung maganda dito sa Turkey guys. Kasi free. As in, free yung mga activities na ino-offer ng government. Sa UAE kasi kapag gusto mong mag-swimming class, gusto mong kumuha ng extra classes pag summertime, wala. Meron man, pero may bayad. May bayad yung mga ganon, yung mga activities, sports, yan. Tsaka mahal. Kaya, pag summer, dun lang kami sa bahay, ganyan. Pero dito sa Turkey guys, enjoy yung mga kids. Kung hilig mo yung mga sports, ganyan.
And
No more. Okay, so you need to study. Puro play ang nasa utak mo. Kailangan mo mag-aral. Kailangan mo mag-aral. So, we'll update you later guys. Bye! Bye-bye! So, ayan guys, 40 minutes lang yung swimming course nila and it's done. Bababa na kami ngayon. Antay namin si Abla. How's your swimming class, Yals? Yamur?
good.
You enjoy?
Oh.
You enjoy?
Yeah. Oh.
Wait, Yasi. Where your cup?
Where's my glove?
It's with Abla. You get hurt, Yamur? Can you see?
Sorry, I didn't see. I will tell you when to sit down, but you're not listening.
So let's go.